to shoot this again. We're going to do the 375 grains and probably 4 62s. And the Mauser 168. About 3 of them. All right, Mauser cougar. It's the ratical post, the ratical. Well, that's definitely high. Okay, there, that was close enough. Couple clicks down. But we hit. There you go. And oh, there we go. We nailed it. I don't know. That was kind of high. I think it's still a little on the high side. There you go. Yeah, perfect. I was aiming right at it. I'm tired of this, folks. And this was just nicked right here. Oh, actually hit here. It's been nicked a couple times, so there's a hit right there. So I think it was a 30-06 actually did that. I'm not sure. Didn't forget about the cap. I didn't see that. So where it got hit, I think that was with the AR. I think it was the 62 grain.